Let's learn the lessons from nature. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature, it will never fail you. Nature is the best teacher. Observe, learn, and be inspired. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. The best way to learn about nature is to immerse yourself in it. Nature is a book, and every page is a lesson. Nature teaches more than she preaches. There are no sermons in stones. It is easier to get a spark out of a stone than a moral. The nature world is a classroom without walls. Nature is an infinite sphere whose center is everywhere. Nature is the art of God. There is no better teacher than nature. Observe, learn, and grow. The more we study nature, the more we learn about ourselves. Nature is not a place to visit, it is home. Nature always wears the colors of the Spirit. The greatest lessons are found in the simplest things in nature. The more you learn about nature, the more you appreciate its beauty. Nature is not only our teacher, but also our healer. Nature is the best therapy for a curious mind. Nature is the ultimate source of wisdom. Its lessons are endless. Nature is the poetry of the earth. Learning from the nature is like receiving wisdom from the universe. Look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. Nature is the art of God, and in studying nature, we learn about the Creator. These life lessons from the nature are so important. So please share these life lessons into your family members and in your friend circle.